This video is about converting decimal numbers into fractions. So we've got 3 examples to take a look at. So let's start with 0.2. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this as a fraction by putting the 2 over a number. And in this case, we need it to be over 10. This is a single decimal place. If we times 0.2 by 10, it will become 2. So we'd have 2. But 0.2 and 2 aren't the same. We need to divide it by 10 again. So we've just written it in a different way. So 0.2, if we times it by 10, becomes 2. And if we divide it by 10, it becomes 0.2 again. So this gives us a handy way to convert a decimal into a fraction. Now 2/10 can be simplified. The number on the top is the numerator and the number on the bottom is the denominator, and we can divide them both in this instance by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this fraction is 1/5, and that makes sense because 5 20p's make up a full pound. Let's have a look at the second example, 0.28. So you'll notice it has 2 decimal places, and therefore if we times the number by 100, it would become 28. And to make it back into 0.28, we'd have to divide it by 100. So 28 over 100. So to simplify this, the numerator, denominator, is there a common factor? So yes, there is. They're both even, so we can definitely divide it by 2. So 14 over 50. Can we divide it again? Yes, we can. So that would be 14 divided by 2 and 50 divided by 2. Now, I know that 7 is a prime number, so we cannot divide it any further. Let's have a look at the last example. So this number has 3 decimal places. So in this instance, our number would be 146 over 1,000. Let's have a go at simplifying that down. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, 6 divided by 2 is 3, over 500. Now, that doesn't look like it will simplify any further. Some numbers, if they're large numbers, it's difficult to be sure without manually dividing it by 3 and 5 and 7 and 9. But I think in this instance that would be acceptable for this number. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in F2.